All right, welcome back again to the KSR YouTube channel. Today we are rolling into Gainesville Raceway, and Steve and I's schedules have finally aligned up where we have made it to the racetrack together. We think the dually's ready to run into the nines. Gosh, I hope it's ready to run into the nines. It has been so long that this thing has beat us up. 10 O's, 10 teens, picks up 3/10 of the 1/8 mile and then breaks the blower belt. But now we don't have a blower belt break. So we're gonna try this thing out. Hopefully report back with some good news here pretty soon. All right, so like I said, we are rolling into Gainesville Raceway. Steve's got the dually, and also Dick is out here with the lawn dart, trying to make some runs, trying to figure out Gainesville. It's not the track we're typically used to at Bradenton, but there's a race coming up here in the fall that we want to all do well at. So this is where we come to test when we want to try and figure out the track. So let's get into this thing, load a tune-up in it, and see what we can figure out. All right, we got lawn dart over here. Had a pretty wild first pass. Got out about 150, 200 feet, kind of turned sideways. So they're making some tweaks there. The track was 150 degrees when they first got here, so a little too hot there. It's really hard to get the rubber to stay stuck to the track when it's that hot track temperature. Rubber just does not like to do its thing when it's that hot, but it's starting to feel like it's coming around now. So we're gonna load a tune-up in Steve's. They're gonna load a tune-up in the lawn dart and see if they can get down, at least go A to B with a respectable number anyways. So we'll get to work. In the staging lanes, check out the sun peeking over the trees over there. Surprisingly not very miserable out here right now. The humidity's a little lower than it's been the last couple days because I've been sweating like crazy at the shop. But we're out here now. They're dragging and spraying the track. Both Dick and Steve are back there. I think Jacob's driving the lawn dart, Dick's oldest son. So hopefully we get a good run out of both of them. to B. Didn't seem too bad. Actually, that ain't bad at all.
Yeah, for that boost.
For that boost and the track we're presented with. Cool. Well, I can't tell you how fast it is, but for Gainesville Pass, that wasn't too bad. Go check on Steve now. All right. Well, they went A to B.
They went A to B.
It was weak early a little bit, huh?
Oh my God, it was like, what happened? Did he take 2 cylinders out?
That was 25 degrees of timing out of it for the first second.
Well,
so
I stayed right in it thinking that that's what you had planned.
Yeah.
And
cool, so we got some good data. So.
It came alive. I mean, when it came alive, wow.
Yeah.
So
cool. Well, now we'll look at some data and make some changes and go faster. All right.
I don't got no seat time, so it's like...
Been a little while. All right, so for the old 7,000 plus pound dually, 1029 with a 4 at 135.5, and I had 25 degrees of timing pulled out of it for the first second of the run, and then it ramped it back to full timing by 2 seconds into the run. And the reason for doing that, this thing, when it spins the tires, it gets a little more RPM, makes a little more boost, spins the tires more, and then if you shift while it's spinning, it can break the sprag in second gear because it's turbo 400. That's just what they do. So we backed it up enough to then hopefully tickle a little timing to it this time. Should go faster, and then tickle a little more timing to it and see what we can do to get her down into that single digit range we've been chasing for forever. Lifted at the 8th and still got there first. Alrighty, old dually's tuned up a little more. Steve's putting his roll bar, door bar in. Ooh, that supercharger's loud. Here we go again. Should be a little quicker. A little quicker. It didn't really start running that last pass until about 1.5 seconds into the run. So we're gonna try and bring that back a little bit. Go a little faster. Part 2. That is a good looking car. Be even more cool when he gets his paint job done on it, which I think is coming this fall. After there's a couple of races in the fall, and then I think he's gonna take her apart a little bit and do some painting. coming. Oh, the heck, yes. I gotta go catch Steve. Man, I wish I had an in-car camera. I didn't think it was gonna pick up that much, but I'm good with it. Sweet. Whew. All right, I had to stop for a second. For those of you that don't know, Steve has had this truck a long time. And it has beat us up 10 O's, like beat us up for so long, breaking blower belts, breaking ring and pinions, breaking drive shafts, breaking transmissions. But we crept into it tonight and we finally got it. Holy crap, that's awesome. I think he's putting it on the trailer. Yes!
Can't believe it, brother! Thank you.
That is been a long time coming. Yeah.
Effortlessly.
Yeah, I did 60 foot. I was like, ooh, that's got a shot.
Yeah, effortlessly. I mean,
awesome.
wow.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Let's see. 991, 144. Ooh, that's some pretty hefty mile an hour. Still nowhere close to our best 8th mile.
No.
But
well, you still took a bunch of power out and
yeah. So we've been a 636 to the 8th mile. That was a 652. And we've been 122 to the 8th mile. So 991, I mean, you do the math, it'll go 960s, 970s.
yeah.
But at least so far we've gone 9. We finally went 9s. You can keep that one and put it on the wall.
Oh, it's going on the wall. I love you, Kevin. That's awesome, brother.
Oh man, that's
appreciate all your hard work, man.
That's so awesome.
It's paid off.
It's been such a long time coming.
Yeah.
And to just do it like easy. Like I want to look at the data because I'm sure there's plenty more in it. Because that wasn't a very good burnout. Like,
I know, right?
I was like, just roll it up there. That's got enough power out of it. I don't think it'll spin. So that is exciting stuff.
So exciting.
Oh man, that's been a long time coming.
I mean.
Well, do we make another one? Gotta go faster?
Soon.
Okay, not tonight?
Not tonight.
All right. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna get into some data. Appreciate all you guys watching. The old dually is a 9-second truck. 7,000 plus pounds of it. Now we need to weigh it and actually find out exactly what it weighs because we kind of don't really know. So, all right. Well, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Probably can't see me because of the lights, but thanks again for watching. We will see you guys in the next one.